red dog.
Woo!
Whoa! What was that?
Whoa! What in blue blazes is that?
Goodness, what is that?
Whoa! What is that? Oh no! It's Clifford! Is Clifford okay, Dr. Din?
He seems to be just fine. Whoa! Oh! Nothing serious.
Well, we're glad to hear that.
It looks like Clifford just has a little case of the hiccups.
Nothing is little when it comes to Clifford.
Is there anything we can do, Doctor?
I'm afraid not. Well, sooner or later, the hiccups will just go away on their own.
What exactly do you mean sooner or later?
They could last a few minutes, or they could last for days.
Don't worry, Clifford. No one's ever had the hiccups forever. They'll go away soon.
That's right, Emily Elizabeth.